Before we start our lesson today by reciting with basmala together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Let me check the attendance bills.
Yes, sir.
Sakina,
Present, sir.
Betty,
Present, sir.
Ani,
Present, sir.
Padrin.
Present, sir.
Everybody pay attention, Padrin. Our learning objective is comparison between the direct experience with or through the teacher. What is the independent day?
Independent Day, yes, I know.
Independent Day is one of the special day for celebrate the freedom of the nation.
Yeah, that's right.
In Independent Day, there is so many games. What kind of games do you ever see?
Oh, so
Right.
many games.
Like eating grupo.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. What
and
else?
lompat sarung,
Panjat pinang.
Exactly. And also,
panjat pinang, yeah.
okay. Our lesson today is talk about Panjat Pinang competition. We are going to discuss about the Panjat Pinang competition. So, do you ever seen Panjat Pinang competition before?
Yeah.
Of course.
Or
Do you have been following the Panjat Pinang?
Yeah.
actually for women, no. For
I'm
men,
just
yes.
watching. Not just
That's
watching.
what the video.
Yeah,
Yes,
I did.
never.
I did, sir.
Okay. How do you feel when you follow the
Ah.
Panjat Pinang competition?
Yeah, when I did Panjat pinang competition, it's so difficult because actually we cannot do it by our ourselves, but we have to do it in a group. So we can.
As the general knowledge, Panjat Pinang doing every single years. Panjat Pinang as one of a symbol of Indonesia, one of the traditional games in Indonesia because Panjat Pinang games that exist until now. As you mentioned earlier, you have been following the Panjat Pinang. So, how do you feel when you are following the Panjat Pinang based on your experience? Can you tell us about Panjat Pinang competition and how do we Panjat Pinang competition?
Okay. Panjat pinang competition based on my experience, we cannot do it by only one person because Panjat pinang, the tree of pinang is so high, so we have to do it in your group. In our group maybe consists of 5 until 7 people. So the rule is you have to stand on your friends and the next friend stand on you, and you can do it until the last friend, and the last friend will try to get the prize on the top of Pinang Street. And if you cannot rise the present and all of your friends fall down, it means that you are failed and you have to wait for your next for your next chance. Just like that.
Okay, thank you, Padre. Okay, I already done to give the explanation about Panjat Pinang competition, so I will divide into 4 topics because I already had the topic and you have to discuss about it. I mean, I want to find the topic.
That's why.
Yeah, that's one topic for one week, one person.
So there's no.
Okay, we'll check in product and you have to choose the topic because this topic is random. So time to check the topic.
Manner.
Required.
Experience forward celebration Independence Day.
So each topic you have to find the answer, and I give you a minute to find the answer.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hari itu kan
And is up. I think you have to present discuss in a topic.
Yes,
And,
sir.
Come forward.
yeah, come forward and start from Padre. And when Padre finish to explain, you have to give one question for Padre.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my friends, the topic is about the manner of how to climb Palestina. So, like I said before, that the manner to climb Palestina, the first you have to make your group, and you have to consist of all of the group is consist of the men, maybe from 5 or 7 people. And for the first is your friends stay down. And after that, the next friend stand on the first friend. And after that, me, for example, it's me, I stand on the second people, and always like that until the people of your group is up. And after that, you will try to stand up with all of your friends by hold of the pinang tree. And after that, because pinang tree is so sleek, so you have to hold it hardly. And after that, if you for the friends on the top of pinang tree, he has to try to take the prize on the top of the pinang tree. Maybe just like that. But if all of your friends fall down, it means that you are failed and you have to wait for the next chance.
Okay, this is who wants to give the question for Padre? Okay,
Actually, how many times you try to get the peak?
Okay, for time, I think that maybe just for 5 minutes, but yeah, 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. But if you stand, but you fall down like I said before, it means that you have failed. So you have to wait for your next chance to you go with your friends and do it again.
Okay, thank you, Padre.
You're welcome, sir.
Tina. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. The question is required. So the required of when you join in Palestina. First is the first is a man. The required is first is a man. The second is if you want to join in a Palestina, you must have a group first. After you have the group, you must have the strong body. Maybe that's it.
I think I already give you the explanation about the Palestinian competition. I will give you the test for test your knowledge about the Palestinian. The test will be the conversation about Karan's father, talk about his experience.
Okay.
Okay. And I will give you I set up this question, and this question talk about Karan's father. I mean, the conversation.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Listen carefully the conversation between Garan and his father.
Welcome to English class. Read no Prilinality. Galong's father is talking about his past experience in participating in Panjat Pinang.
Dad, please, tell me more about the Panjat Pinang.
At the time, the committee put a lot of prizes, like sarong, groceries, radio, TV, and even a bike on the top of the tree.
Wow, it's really hard to climb the tree, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The tree was full of grease.
Did you get to the top of the tree?
At the first, I didn't. Many climbers also failed to climb up, because the tree was slippery. That was the funniest part, though.
Did you give up?
No, we never gave up.
So, what did you do then?
First, we made a human ladder. and wiped off the grease, bit by bit.
Then, what?
One of us finally got to the top and threw the prizes to the ground.
Okay. Hebron, do you want I repeat the conversation
Yes, sir.
just one more time?
Yes, sir.
Lena Letty. Galong's father is talking about his past experience in participating in Panjat Pinang.
Dad, please, tell me more about the Panjat Pinang.
At the time,
You have to correct your job.
I've done, sir.
You will enjoy our lesson today, and also I hope you understanding about what is Panjat Pinang combination.
Yes, sir.
Learning is not easy, but from learning you can learn something new or build your good habit. So don't give up to learn.
Yes, sir.
I think we are at the end of the lesson. Who wants to give the conclusion?
Maybe.
Time is yours.
Yes, sir, before let's go today, I get this Panjat is one of the kind of celebrating in the day. So we have to know about our culture and we have to know what we enjoying in the celebrating in the day.
Okay, thank you. Because we are at the end of the lessons, I will give you the task. The task will be to make a summarize of your experience when you follow the celebrate Independence Day.
Yes,
And
sir.
for the next meeting is talk about narrative text. And you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you for your kind attention. But before we close our lesson today, by reciting Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.